Only sign objects will carry the text on the wall for you when you are laying out an explanation of one of your concepts, for example. We have here SGN_5, SGN_4, the fancy sign. This is a Z sign 2. This task wall gives you a lot of information about how to change the colors. There is a link to the wiki sign command and information about using RGB colors. To make your sign, you right-click and copy and assign object. Use the arrow keys to move it into and close to where you're working. Leave the create sign information as is. This was a link to the active wiki. We can take that out, but you still need that K in black. Now you've got these colors. Now you can change the background color to white and the color to blue. And there, you've changed the color of your sign.